A grid logo design is a structured approach to creating logos that relies on geometric grids to ensure precision, balance, and symmetry. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the fascinating world of grid-based logo design using Adobe Illustrator. Draw a vertical line using the Line Segment tool and align it. Take a copy of this line and group it by setting it next to it. Hold Shift and Alt keys on the keyboard and make some copies. Group all. Align. Go to Edit and click on Copy. Go to Edit again, click on Paste in front. Double-click on the Rotate tool. Set it to 90 degrees, and click OK. So that you will have horizontal lines in front of you. Group. Grab the lines with the Selection tool, and click on the Shape Builder tool. And then click on Fill, and start creating your logo. By using a grid system, designers can maintain consistent spacing, alignment, and proportions, resulting in a harmonious and visually appealing logo. This method not only enhances the aesthetic quality of the logo but also simplifies the design process, enabling designers to achieve a coherent look that scales well across various mediums. Grid logos are particularly effective in building a strong brand identity, as their meticulous construction often reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Logo. Ungroup all the alphabets. Now change its color to red, and group it. Now after that remove the stroke which was of black color. Then we'll go to the Layers panel and lock it. And the rest will delete all the extra lines. I am now moving to Photoshop to create a presentation for the logo design I crafted in Illustrator. Using two logo mockups, I'll demonstrate how to effectively present these logos. I will showcase techniques to enhance the 3D effect, ensuring the presentation looks polished and professional. This will elevate the overall quality and impact of the design. In the same way, I have made many shorts and videos of logo. You must see them on my channel HLGRAPHICS. And if you like my work, then you will also like, share and subscribe my work. And share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.